Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and I'm here another day for another makeup video. So you see I'm very blue today. So I've decided that I'm going to do a blue eyeshadow look and probably more of a neutral lip. So as the previous video said, I do like this palette because it kind of has the colors in a row, but it doesn't have a deep enough blue for me to start with. So I'm going to use this Sporty blue with the Your Golden palette from ColourPop, as well as the blues from the It's My Raye. Yeah, It's My Raye 15 shadow palette, and we will see what happens. I know on the outer part I want blue. I've already done my eyebrows, so look, I posted a video yesterday about a little more detail about how I do my eyebrows, so I didn't put that in this video today. But I'm gonna start out with the blue, but then once I get here, I don't know if I want to do more peacock colors or more like icy frozen colors, so we'll see what happens. But I'm gonna start by putting on my foundation. Take your wet beauty blender, apply that foundation. Y'all, Huda Beauty, right, had a 60% off sale. And you know how sometimes businesses, and I'm sure I've been guilty of this myself, will have a sale on everything except the product you want, right? Because I really like their, it's like a water primer thingy. It's like $33. And you know everything, I feel like everything, foundation, this other primer, it was on sale. Everything was on sale but the primer I wanted, so I did not get that primer. So I'm gonna hold out for another sale, hoping that I can get a discount on that. I think it's called a water jelly primer. But they had sent me a sample when I had purchased the foundation, and I really liked it, but I'm not quite ready in my self to pay full price for it, especially if I can get a discount. So we'll see what happens with that. I'm gonna use my lip bar concealer today with this foundation, just to change things up. That's so pretty. Y'all, I didn't grab the wrong translucent powder. I actually have two, so this is the one that's a little lighter. Yeah, I meant to grab the honey one. I could tell by the way it was going on, like, hey, that doesn't look quite right. Boom. Just put a little bit of the honey one over it. Much better. All right, let's get into this eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this blue liquid liner from ColourPop, and I will show you what I'm gonna do. A little different than what I did yesterday. Turn this light on. I am bringing this out to like where my eye naturally folds, and then bringing it in to outline more sharply my eyeshadow placement. And then naturally, see, going to where my eye folds. And just fill it in. from there, I'm gonna take a brush that looks like this. This is from BH Cosmetics. It's my Raye brush, number 7. So I'm gonna take Sporty from my Your Golden Color Pop palette is my next. And I'm just like pressing it in, still along that natural crease that my eyelid does. Now I'm gonna take Cobalt from the It's My Raye palette. Ooh, you know what though? Do I want to be like a peacock? Because this has blue and green in it. And I'm really liking this ambitious. I think we're gonna be just a little bit ambitious first. Yeah, let's do it. Ambitious, and then Showgirl. Ooh, she's pretty. And then Golden Girl. It's a nice like peacock ombre look, right? I think she needs to go all the way across the top. Pretty. All right. So now, still gonna go back to this palette and use PCH for my up here. And now I'm still gonna take the blue and meet up with where I initially lined it. I like her. Also, like, I still love, like I told you before, this the lip bar concealer and how natural, how nicely it blends. And I'm still gonna use this palette because it's awesome. So we're gonna do some blush. Like I said, the blush is Let's Go, and then the highlight is Been Ready. Let's do highlight, up, up, up. Now lips. And I'm going to use this neutral shade from Gerard Cosmetics Hydra Matte 1995. This it. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this inspired you to try a different eyebrow technique. As you know, I've used the same products basically that I used in yesterday's video, the same palettes to create this look as I did yesterday, so you don't have to buy a bunch of different makeup. Just try to get palettes that have a lot of different options and then mix and match some different ways. So I will make a strenuous effort to list all the products and colors that I used in this video down below. And don't forget, with the lip bar, I do have an affiliate code for you to get 10% off, which is ABN10, all caps ABN10, and you will get 10% off your order, and then I will get like a referral fee is how those work. So it's like I recommended them to you, so then I get a little bit to show appreciation for that effort. So thank you so much to those who have used that affiliate link. I see you. And have a great day, and maybe I'll do another video for you tomorrow. If I'm encouraged by your response to this video, right, by the thumbs up, by the comments, so I really appreciate you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to help me with that, getting that engagement up, and have a great and productive day. See you next time.